Objective of this video is to set up and work with Elastic Cache in application architecture on cloud. Elastic Cache is one of the important components that provides capability to have a distributed caching environment which is set up on cloud. Applications can take benefit of Elastic Cache in order to provide capability to applications to ensure that number of disk I/O is decreased by keeping the data in cache. This cache is robust, scalable, and also distributed in nature, so it provides all the benefits of distributed caching mechanism, which is treated as one of the tools in order to manage and improve performance. In order to configure and work with Elastic Cache, we need to first sign in to the console. To sign into the console, we'll click on Sign into the console, and then we'll specify email and password, and we'll click on Sign in. Once you'll click on Sign in, it will take you to dashboard where you will get a tab called as Services. You'll click on the tab and you will quickly go and search for Elastic Cache. You need to go to database group and then you need to select Elastic Cache from there. After selecting Elastic Cache, you have to click on it. Once you click on it, it will launch Elastic Cache page. This page is a wizard which will help you to build your Elastic Cache cluster. We have to go and we have to launch a cluster, then connect to the cluster and manage the cluster. These are the typical steps which will be taken by this wizard in order to help you in setting up your Elastic Cache cluster. We'll click on Get Started Now. Once we'll click on Get Started Now, it will ask us what cluster engine need to be used, whether it is in-memory data structure, which uses database, or it is memcache, which is high-performance distributed memory object caching system. If you want speed in your web application, you can select memcache. But if you want auto failover, you will go for Redis. Let's keep memcache. Give a name to your cluster, which is Elastic Cache cluster. We'll give name as test cluster, and then we have to specify engine version compatibility. So depending on the version that we want, we can go and we can change the version. Then specify the port. Port specifies the availability of your Elastic Cache. Then we can specify parameter group. By default, memcache has one parameter group. Then we have to specify node type. What is the type of node we want, whether it's large or it's extra large. So depending on our need, we can go and we can select. We can select T2, we can select cache T2.